Well guys, today we will see how to register for QNB Bank Online. At first, download QNB mobile application into your device and open it. Here you have to select your country. Now, from the given option, you have to select QNB login. Thereafter, you will find the option of register now present the left side of bottom. Now in this registration page, you have to enter your debit card or credit card number, therefore its PIN. Now you have to create a username, thereafter create a password according to yourself, then retype it, and in security section you have to set a hint security question. In case if you forgot your login details, you can easily forget it. Thereafter set this security question's answer, then click on submit. After that you have to follow the screen prompts and successfully you are registered with QNB Bank Online. I hope you will find this video informative. For more videos don't forget to subscribe our channel.